Okay guys, so I just got home from about a 10 to 12 day vacation. Maybe longer than that. I'm just kind of surveying the situation, what I've got going. So I got a couple of things going on right here. I've got this dry spot right here. So I kind of knew about that. That's kind of a dry spot that the sprinklers kind of are hard to get. This hasn't been watered in quite a while. Got a dog pee spot right there. Lots of junk on the lawn, and the lawn really isn't too long considering I haven't mowed it for like 2 weeks. So it kind of looks like I got some dry spots through here, got some cottonwood suckers through here, junk all over the lawn, debris, and crap. Oh ho 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 ho! Look at that! My dahlias are finally up. That's a beautiful flower. Let's see what else we got going on here, folks. Oh, guys, look at this, guys. More junk from the cottonwood trees. Cottonwood tree junk, cottonwood tree junk. More cottonwood tree junk everywhere on the lawn. See all this debris? You cottonwood tree lovers. Look at that. So surprisingly, I was expecting to see a lot more cottonwood tree suckers. There's one. That's a pretty good one right there. Those are some pretty good suckers right there. Cottonwood trees have got to go. So, what have we got? These dahlias over here have not bloomed yet. Been waiting for these to bloom. These to bloom. Okay folks, so for being gone for, let's see, we've left on Friday. This is Thursday. So we've been gone 13 days. So it's been 13 days since I mowed. And right before I left, I put the plant growth regulator down. And surprisingly, that stuff has kicked some major butt for me. And the lawn really doesn't look too bad. The only thing that I've got going on here is I got a lot of junk all over the lawn, so that's gonna need to be cleaned up. So I'm not sure if I wanna try that with the cylinder reel mower or the rotary mower. I haven't decided that yet. This lawn needs a cut. I've been home for about 5 minutes. Just went on a 12-hour drive. Holy smokes, bugs are everywhere. So I just got home from about a 12-hour drive from Montana. Really happy to be home. Things look great. Other than those brown spots over there. I got some serious dead spots over there. So, okay guys, so look at that. That is a problem. 3 dead spots. I had that POA right there. And that kind of got killed with that over the top too. Stuff works. So I think what I'll do then is just kind of rough that up and put some seed down, even though I put prodiamine down a couple of weeks ago. This is gonna have to happen. So let's get the mower out and go for this.